Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 Chevrolet 2500 HD. This is a 3LZ with the four-wheel drive and the technology package and the crew cab, so the larger cab. This one is painted in Summit White with the jet black interior. Coming to the rear here, we got the tailgate down. It is a power tailgate. The bed has the spray-in bed liner. As you can see, it has all the hookups here, the LED lighting in the box. It's the high country model. It has the fifth wheel hookup ready to go. And then we have the LED lighting here. And then we got a 120 volt plug there. Go ahead, close this tailgate. So on the tailgate, you can see it has the cameras here. The Silverado, the Chevrolet in the inside the tailgate. There's the High Country badge there. Come back here, you can see it has all the hookups for the trailer package, and then the heavy-duty tow hitch there. We have these steps in the corner of the bumper there, and then you got your nice exhaust tip coming out the back here. Okay, we'll make our way to the wheels here. So we got Goodyear tires. Find the size here. It's a LT 275/65 R20. So a 20-inch rim. There are the chrome wheels, and then you have the disc brakes all the way around this vehicle. Making our way to the front. Same wheel, same tire size. We also have the mud guards here that are built in the fender flare there. That's on the back as well. And then we'll make our way to the interior. So here's your door panel here. You got that nice wood grain here. You got a nice metal finish, and then you got another material finish here. Nice stitching here. Here's your door handle, your power windows, and then you got a BOSE stereo system in this truck. Here's your door jambs. You can see they're nice and tidy. They are like new, as they should be. Check out the back of the seat here. So we got the console in the center, you got the HVAC system here. We have heated seats in the back here, and you got USB slots there with the two cup holders there. And then we got the carpeted floor mats here. I'll show you the seat here from this angle. And let's scan the seat here. So this is the High Country, so you got the nice leather seats, the upgraded seats. And it's got the headrests. It also has a really cool hidden storage compartment here on both sides. In the center here, we got the pull down here, the armrest and cup holders. A little stiff because it's so new. And then the seats pop up here. You got the jacks here, and you got extra storage here. So we'll leave that there. We have the power sunroof, so that's open right now. I should show you that there while we're here. Close this door here. Front door panel, so you got the same scheme going on, that nice wood, the metal, and the leather. We have the power locks here, your door release, your power windows, and that BOSE stereo system. Door jambs, just like they should be. We got the carpeted floor mats, and then we got the power seats. So you got power lumbar as well, and we'll scan the condition here. You can see how wonderful they are. Very comfy seat, and then you got the High Country engraved in the headrest there. Nice big console in the center there, and we got the power running boards. So doors are open, doors are closed. It will go up. There you go. So they're nice and hidden. And then we got the step in this front of the bed here. We got the chrome handles, and we'll just walk down here. You can see it's got the power sunroof that's open, and you got the LED clearance lights up there. You got the chrome around the mirrors here, the big towing mirrors, and they are extended out. They go in and out, and they're power folding as well. Just come down here. You got lights here, and it has blind spot monitoring. If I can see that right, I don't know if I can catch it, but right there, that'll light up if something's in your blind spot there. We got a nice High Country badge here. Make our way to the front. It's got the bright LED headlights, all redesigned. We got the Chevrolet bow tie here that does light up, and they are really cool looking lights. They are sequential turn signals in the front as well, really cool. LED fog lights. It's got the painted bumper, chrome tow hooks and the chrome piece down there, the valance. We got a nice chrome grill in the front, the bow tie, and then one of your cameras. And then we got the hood open here. So here's the engine. It's a 6.6 liter V8 producing 401 horsepower. As far as torque goes, it's 464, and it's paired to an Allison automatic transmission system. You can see the engine compartment is nice and clean. Reach up here and see if I can grab this hood. Oh, didn't close all the way. Let's see if I can open it up again. Give it another shot. There we go. So we got the nice vent here in the front. It's a full vent, but it looks cool. And it does say Chevrolet in the chrome. And then we got the nice badging here. So the Allison transmission with a 6.6 liter. Okay, we'll make our way to the front here. Around the side here, so you can see that wheel there. Nice big wheels. This is a 4-wheel drive. It's really high. This is a big truck. This means serious business. Underneath, I'll show you how clean it is. There we are. And let's go to the door panels here. So there's your third door here. Power windows. Stereo. Again, the jams. And behind the seat here, let's scan the seat here. You can see it's just as nice on this side. Go ahead and close that door. See the power steps here. And door panel. So on the driver's side, you got memory package here, power locks. We got power mirrors, power folding mirrors, and power in and out to extend the mirrors. Power windows here. And you got the BOSE Performance Series sound system. I'll show you the jams on this side. It says High Country there. A lot of High Country badges showing you have a premium model. We do have the heads-up display there because it does have heads-up. That's really cool. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here. So it's a 10-way power seat up front. And you got power bolster and lumbar as well. There you are. Okay, let's hop in the truck now. Okay, we'll start over here. We got your heads-up display controls here. Over here, you got your power parking brake. Here we got your 4-wheel drive system or 2-wheel drive. And then we have your headlights over here. So you got automatic headlights. And then we have all your lighting systems. So that's your bed lights, your fog lights, and so what. Down here we got manual tilt and telescopic wheel. Up on the wipers up here, we got automatic high beams and automatic wipers. Coming up here, we have your cruise control settings, and it does have adaptive cruise control and a heated steering wheel here. Over here, you got Bluetooth and the arrow keys for your digital dash. And then we have your automatic transmission shifter here. We'll go ahead and start the truck. It is a push button start. As it fires up here, we'll come back here. And I'll show you that wheel. So that wheel's a nice black leather wheel here. It's all round. It's like new, feels really nice. Got the nice bow tie in the center here. We'll come into the dash here. It's a full digital dash cluster. So you got mileage on this truck. We have 737 kilometers. Low kilometer truck. Okay, making our way to the top up here. We have your controls. So it does have a power slider window. I'll show you back here. It is open right now. And we'll go ahead and close that. And then we have your power sunroof controls. So we'll close that there. We got your universal garage door opener here. It does have a rear camera mirror. You can turn that off like it was. Very cool feature. And then down here we got the large touchscreen. So icons here, we have audio maps. So it works off Google Maps. And we'll come home here so you can see phone controls. You got all kinds of cameras here. So it does have front camera, so that's your front. And if I throw it in reverse, it will show you the, one sec here. Should go, there's your reverse camera. It also has 360, so you can see your truck where you are in terms of moving things. It has rear parking sensors as well. So if you're getting close to something, and it even vibrates your seat, so you can feel that as well. Coming back over here, we have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and then we have the trailer towing package. Coming down here is your home control for your touchscreen, your volume, and then here we have your lane keep. There's your parking sensors, and then your power tailgate, traction control, and then down here we have your push button start, your trailer brake package here, and then we have heated and ventilated seats, dual zone climate control, and then heated and ventilated seats for the passenger. USB slots there. We got a nice space to put stuff here. We got 2 cup holders up here, nice big cup holders for large drinks, and then we have a wireless charging station for your cell phone, and then we got a really nice console cover. It does say high country, it matches the seats. 2 cup holders back there. Let's open it up, show you. It's got all kinds of nice organizer here. We'll take that out. As you can see, it goes nice and deep here, so you can put lots of stuff. More auxiliary and USB here, or USB, and it's got LED lighting as well. Okay, we'll put that back in here, close that up. Let's open the door now. We'll turn on the headlights. That's wipers. Headlights down here. And let's give it a couple revs. So you can tell it's got some power. Let's hop out of the truck here. Make our way to the front. There goes the running boards. There's those nice bright headlights I was talking about. All kinds of LED lighting on this truck. There's your high country badge, your 2500 HD badge on the side there, the trim. As we come back here, you see those bright LED tail lights. And we'll just listen to that exhaust at idle there. And it also says Chevrolet right in the tail light there, if you can see. So here we have it. This is a 2024 Chevrolet HD 2500. This one is a 3LZ high country with a tech package, and it is painted in Summit White with black interior. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.